Nest.js, a progressive Node.js framework for building server-side applications, was first released in 2017 by Kamil Myslivets.
Kamil Myslivets.
Nest.js has become one of the most structured and developer-friendly frameworks in the Node ecosystem. We use it to build applications that are modular, maintainable, and scalable, even as projects grow in complexity. The beauty of Nest.js is that it brings structure to Node.js development without adding unnecessary bloat. It's TypeScript first, so type safety is baked in, and it enforces a modular architecture with controllers, services, and modules. It's so organized a beginner could follow it. Controllers handle incoming requests and orchestrate responses, while services contain the actual business logic. If you want to pass data into your endpoints, you simply use data transfer objects or request parameters, which Nest.js validates automatically if you configure it properly. When your application grows, you can easily split functionality into separate modules, making it easier to maintain and debug. Nest.js also supports a variety of built-in features like GraphQL, WebSockets, microservices, and dependency injection, so you don't need to assemble a dozen libraries just to get a fully functional backend. The main reason you might want to use Nest.js isn't just the framework itself, but the ecosystem and best practices it encourages. It works seamlessly with Express or Fastify, gives you decorators and middleware to handle cross-cutting concerns, and scales naturally as your codebase grows. Developers love it because it feels familiar to Spring Boot users. To install Nest.js, we first need to install NestCLI, which is basically the command line tool that will serve as the boilerplate generator for your project, and we can do that by running npm install-g at NestJS CLI. Then we create a Nest.js folder, and to create the project itself, we simply need to run nest new first project, choose our package manager. I'm going to choose npm here, and voila. We all the boilerplate code for a Nest.js project generated, structured in an easy-to-understand fashion, and ready to go. It's super minimal, main boots the app. App module wires things together, the controller handles requests, the service holds the logic, and from there, you just keep adding modules, controllers, and providers as your app grows. This has been Nest.js in 2 minutes, and if you enjoyed it, leave a like and subscribe to become a fellow codehead.